Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Gautam from MGWealth Trade Trader. So let's see what are the stock we have added in our watch list and how it has performed in the volume profile levels. So before getting into the video, I would like to share one of the lesson that I have been learned from my experience. So we all love cricket. Cricket is one of the largest sports in India, and I also used to play cricket in my school days and in my college days. I prefer test cricket over the other two formats of the cricket, because in the test cricket we will have the freedom of playing almost 2 days, 3 days. We will be having that freedom, but it is most difficult format than the other two formats, because in the test cricket you have to develop more skills but in other two formats we don't have that much skills. We don't have to develop that much skills, but we can play easy shots. But in test cricket we need to develop our skills, and we have to develop our mentality. So in the initial stages, like when you are going to bat at the first hour, it is very difficult time to bat on, because you need to stay patient and wait for the ball in your areas. So why I am saying is, we have to relate cricket with the stock market, because stock market is one of the place where you have all the freedom to buy or sell or trade in options. You have every freedom to trade in all the instruments, but you have some risk factor also. So likewise, if you are a experienced batsman in the test cricket with lot of patience and lot of skills and lot of self belief, you can wait for the what we can say, you can wait for the bad balls, or you can wait for the balls which you have practiced a lot, experienced a lot. So you can wait for that ball. Likewise in the market, you have to stay patient. You have to have some strong self belief, and you need to select the what are the stocks you are going to trade, and you need to stay patient up to the price retrace to your level, and take the entry with some belief. Okay, so let's get into today's video. So this is the Nifty chart. You can see the Nifty is also trading in the range bounded only. It is trading inside this range. When the market fall down at 24th February, it's inside the high and low only. So we didn't take any trades. So this is only range bound. Whenever the market traded above or below the level, we will be having a trade. Until then, there is no trade in the Nifty chart. So the first stock is Coal India. So I am going to draw the profile for Coal India. You can see the market is gap up open, and it didn't retrace back to the POC or the volume cluster. So there is no trade in the Coal India stock. But you can take this stock, wait for your level. Okay. So the next stock is City Union Bank. So I am going to draw profile. The market opened inside nearer to the POC, but it didn't came nearer to the POC, but it got rejected. It didn't came. We waited for the stock to have a rejection at the POC, but it didn't came at our level. So we will be waiting for the stock to get rejected at the POC, and there is a volume cluster below the value area low, where the market fall down and it is in the sideways action nearer to that cluster. We can wait for the stock to get retraced around 123. If the market came to this price, we will be having a short trade in this stock. Okay. So the next stock is Gujarat Gas. So here is one of the trade which has happened at the below low level. You can see. So market opened nearer to the POC, but you see there is a volume cluster below the value area low. So market in the first initial balance, market broke all the levels, and came nearer to the yesterday's low, but in the next candle it retraced to the this volume cluster which is below the value area low. So if you are watching the stock very closely, you can see these kinds of rejection, and this is one of the, yesterday we have talked about the VWAP strategies. In this you can see the market came outside the VWAP, above the VWAP and suddenly fall down. So if you are experienced, you have watching this stock and you have been watching the volume profile very carefully, you can see these kinds of rejection, and we have taken the trade around 558, 557. So we have booked almost 1 to 2% in this stock. Okay. So the next stock is HDFC. So you can see this is the yesterday's range, yesterday's profile. Market open inside the value area but went outside. There is a volume cluster above the value area high. You can see the market got rejected. In the first stage there is a strong rejection happened nearer, but the market suddenly broke the VWAP and got retraced back and made a second rejection at the same level also. So you can take the first entry as well and the second entry as well. And we have booked almost 1 to 2%. Our target is the POC. We have booked the target nearer to the POC, which is 1.5% from the stock price. Okay. So the next stock is HDFC Life. So here you can see the POC is in the bottom. Market open nearer to the yesterday's high, and you can see there is a volume cluster here in this area. Is this visible? In this area the market came down and made a rejection nearer to the VWAP and our volume cluster level, which is acting like a POC here. So we took a short trade here. So there is a VWAP confirmation as well and the POC confirmation as well. So we took a short trade around 545 and we booked almost 1 to 2% in this stock. Okay. So the next stock is Oil India. So in this market open gap up and it retraced back to the POC level, and it made a rejection near the POC as well. In this you can see the market came to the POC and got rejected, but the VWAP is longer. If you are taking like this trade, you have to set a target nearer to the VWAP, and you have otherwise you have to wait for the VWAP to get nearer to our level and break the VWAP. Okay, so we have taken trade here around 246, 247. We booked almost 1% in the stock because it is trading very distance far away from the VWAP. So we have booked small target in this stock. The next stock is Dr. Reddy. It didn't retrace back to our level, but I will show you the profile. So profile look like this, and the market opened inside. We waited for the stock to get retraced back again to the POC, but it didn't came. So we didn't take any trade in the stock. We have to wait for the stock. We need to stay patient, and whenever the price comes to our level, we need to be pre-planned about our trade. Okay, so thank you for watching this video until the end, and if you really like this video, do hit the like button and share our video to your friends, colleagues whom it may be very useful. So subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching this video. Bye.